Hello children, today we are doing exercises of lesson 7 Microsoft PowerPoint. Exercises. First, tick the correct answer. A presentation program which is developed by Microsoft Word, Flash, PowerPoint. It is PowerPoint. Tick here. B. A PowerPoint presentation is also called theme, slideshow, या slide view. A PowerPoint presentation is also called slideshow. Tick here. C. The images can be added to a slide through content layout, gallery, themes. Through content layout. Through content layout. Tick here. D. The view in which PowerPoint displays the presentation by default is outline view, slide view, or normal view. Which is the answer? That is normal view. Tick here. E. The visual effect that appears while moving from one slide to another is animation, transition, या slideshow. That is transition. Tick here. F. Miniature slides of the presentation can be seen in this view. Slide sorter, reading, या outline. That is slide sorter. Tick here. Answers are given here. To fill in the blanks. A PowerPoint is a dash program. A PowerPoint is a presentation program. Presentation. B. One page of a presentation is called dash. Slide. One page of a presentation is called slide. C. A design theme can be selected using dash tab. Design tab. Design. A design theme can be selected using design tab. D. In dash view you can view a presentation in full screen but with title bar and status bar. In dash view. Reading view. In reading view you can view a presentation in full screen but with title bar and status bar. E. Dash shows you one slide at a time. Slideshow shows you one slide at a time. F. A dash is a visual effect that appears while moving from one slide to another. A dash, which is a transition. Transition. A transition is a visual effect that appears while moving from one slide to another. Now 3. Write T for true and F for false statements. A. PowerPoint presentation is known as a document. False. F here. B. A group of pages on any one topic is called a presentation. Yes, that is true. A group of pages on any topic is called, any one topic is called a presentation. That is true. C. The slide sorter view contains all of the slide thumbnails. That is true. The slide sorter view contains all of the slide thumbnails. That is true. D. You can animate the presentation. You can animate the presentation. Yes, that is true. Answers. Now 4. Answer the following questions. First question. What is the use of content placeholder? Answer. Content placeholders are already formatted areas within the slide layout where we can place different types of content such as text, tables, charts, smart art, pictures, clip art or video. Now question 2. How many presentation views are available in PowerPoint? Name them. Answer. There are 4 presentation views available in PowerPoint. First, slide sorter view. Second, normal view. 3, reading view. And 4th, slideshow view. There are 4 presentation views available in PowerPoint. Now question 3. What is slide transition? Answer. Slide transition is a visual effect that appears while moving from one slide to another. Slide transition is a visual effect. Now question 4. What do you mean by animation? Answer. Animation is a special sound and visual effect that is added to a slide to make a slideshow interesting and attractive. This is all for today. If you like my videos, like, comment and share. Thank you.